Hi, I'm Ting Zhang. This is how to analyze PX cycle 2 using EdSurvey. Now let's talk about proficiency levels. So in PX, there are 6 levels for literacy and numeracy, 5 levels for the adaptive problem-solving domain. When we analyze the proficiency levels, we're trying to find out the percentage of the participants below, at, or above each level. So EdSurvey can report 2 types of proficiency levels. Discrete, meaning below or at the exact level. Cumulative, meaning that at or above that specific level. So let's dive in the next few slides. First, the discrete review. We put people into one level only. So those are the percentage of people below level 1, at level 1, at level 2, and so on and so forth. We report the percentage in each bin, and those bins add up to 100. But cumulative is different. So here, we report the percentage at or above a benchmark. For example, at or above level 1 or at above level 2, and so on and so forth. So those categories stack. For example, at or above level 2, including levels 2, 3, 4, and 5 for literacy and numeracy. So don't add the cumulative percentages together. So EdSurvey provide achievement levels function to calculate the proficiency levels for PX. This function computes the percentage of respondents by the proficiency level at or above the proficiency level cut points. So first of all, you can use this function called show cut points to find out the cut points for each scale. Let's say the example here. So we want to see the cut points for the German data. And here are the results. So you can see for each domain, literacy, numeracy, and the APS, those are the cut scores. Here is an example of how to obtain proficiency levels. All right, let's open our R script in the RStudio. Again, the script, you can find the script in the PX training materials. So let's go to line. So it's about 108 to find the achievement level examples. So in this example, I specified my outcome as a literacy scale with this name here, and my data is German data. And I use this argument, return cumulative equals to true, means I want both discrete and cumulative data. So let's run it. And first of all, let's print out the results to see what this function gives us. All right. So again, it has a summary of what it has been done for you behind the scene. So the proficiency levels were decided by those cut points for the literacy scale. When run the proficiency levels, all 10 plausible values has been used, and the weighted variable has been applied. So it gives both discrete and cumulative proficiency level results. However, some of you may ask, what about I just want to look at one results? You give me too many. So what I do is I can ask R to just print one section for me. So I can use this call with the $sign. All right. So here it gives you the discrete results. And if you look at the percentages across all the 5 levels, they add up to 100. All right, so how about I want to look into the cumulative proficiency levels. Okay, let's use this call. And this is the cumulative results at or above each proficiency levels. Now, if you look at the percentages, they definitely don't add up to 100. All right, so how about I want to set up my own cut points? So the achievement level function does give you this option using the cut points argument. In this case, we set the literacy scale with 3 cut points. So that means you don't only have 4 levels below this cut points, add this cut points, add the second cut point, and add the third cut points. And you can print either the discrete results or cumulative results. All right, so this achievement level function actually is pretty powerful. It allows you to do more. For example, what about you just want to look into, like for example, for females, how their proficiency achievement distribution look like. How about another groups? So we have more functions. To learn more, you use the SIV user guide. All right, so that's about achievement level and proficiency level analysis. You can use a self-reflection to do some exercise. Again, if you have any questions about the functions, you can either read in the SIV the user guide or using some functions such as a question mark achievement levels. And you can also explore your variables using the search SDF or level SDF. So that's about achievement level and proficiency levels.